Eating healthy is a challenge for a variety of reasons, but we know in our current climate, eating healthy on a budget is a big challenge. So we want to educate our students how to educate others, and others that may find that healthy eating is challenging primarily because it's seen as expensive.
So what we're doing here today with the nutrition students is running an activity we call the $10 challenge.
Vegetable or protein?
We put out cards with a variety of different foods from each of the 5 food groups: dairy, protein, grain, fruits, and vegetables. And their challenge is to create a meal for under $10 that would feed a family of 4, using those cards that have the actual prices on them.
So $9.16.
And making something that is both affordable, healthy, and then also tasty. So showing people that you can eat well and eat something that you enjoy eating and also on a budget.
So I chose brown rice and black beans. So you get your protein there, and buying that in bulk and dry is really inexpensive. So kind of thought, all right, Mexican theme, and then avocado, jalapeno, lime, tomato, things that are inexpensive and healthy but flavorful.
Cooking Matters is important because 1 in 6 children in Colorado is at risk of hunger or food insecurity. So we help their parents learn how to shop on a budget, how to cook healthy food at home. So we are closing that gap on food insecurity. And it's an activity that we actually do in classes and in our store tours with families. So for the families, it's a challenge in resource use. For these students, it's a challenge in empathy and having a greater awareness of the families that some of them may go out and serve someday.
We're going to be teaching people about it. We're going to be dealing with patients and clients all throughout our careers that are struggling with this concept that healthy equals expensive, and it doesn't necessarily have to be that way.
And what I love about this activity is it shows students very practical information that they can apply in their own lives, but then can also teach others how to apply, and not just meals that are healthy but are tasty as well.